So the English words should be written in English. Yes. Is this sticky note is visible to all or not? Hello.
Yes, visible.
Okay. So the first thing is about this sign. This parenthesis or double brackets are used when the word is not clear. What some people does is, if one or two word is not clear, they just use this sign for the whole segment. That is wrong. Transcribe all the words that are clearly audible to you. Just put this when the one word or two words are not audible. You can use it there. Then this sign you can see on below escape and above the tab button. You can use it by using the shift. So this sign is used when the speaker has spoken one incomplete word. Like if he said, I am taking example in English as I don't know Telugu. Like he said employment, but instead of employment, he said employment. In that case, with employee, you will use this sign. That means it doesn't have its separate meaning, and he wants to tell any other word, but he said this by mistake, half word. So this is used when half words are pronounced. Yes, Sweta, do you want to ask anything?
Yeah, it's not visible, ma'am.
It's
Actually,
not
what you're explaining, the screen is visible.
Is it visible now?
Yeah, now it's visible.
Okay. Govind sir, do you want to say something?
No.
Okay. So this sign is used for incomplete words only. The next thing is every segment must end with punctuation, whether it is comma, full stop, or question mark. Like here in Malayalam, I have corrected so many files that have the same problem. What all of them do, let me show you. Like here in the workbench. Swetha has done it correctly. What they does is, like here she has put full stop immediately after the word. But what they did, like they put space after that full stop. And here like space after that comma. That is completely wrong. Punctuations are used immediately after the word. So there should be no space. Please don't repeat these mistakes. Everyone repeats this. The next thing is every segment must end with a punctuation. Like if the sentence is completed in one segment, then you will put full stop. If she is asking something and that is also present in first segment only, then you will put question mark. And if it is continuance, then you will put comma. Like here, comma must be placed where the sentence is in continuance. So the next one is I. I should always be capital. Some people write I as a small, but I is a pronoun that should always be capital. So I should not be in small letter. Next thing we have is 21 to 99. Even if they say 2,01,047, Even in this 47 is coming, then 47 will be hyphenated. Not only when they said 47 or 99, that will be hyphenated, but amounts like this 2,01,047, in this also 47 will be hyphenated. So it should be clear. That all the numerals that comes between 21 to 99 should be hyphenated, and numerals must be spelled out. If you will write 21 in numbers, like here I have written it in numbers 21, then it will become red. Wait. See here, where the red dot with exclamation is, here you can see why the red error is coming. They have written there numerals must be spelled out. That means we can't write in numbers, we have to type everything in this, in Telugu, or in English words in English. Even when they said speak any ID, like Ishmanpreet Kaur at the rate will be like this. This is wrong. We can't use at the rate sign. At the rate should be written. And in email, when they say email, E should always be small without space. And when they say Gmail, in Gmail we will write G capital. So the next thing is yeah and okay. Some people we write yeah this or y double a. This is not correct spellings. Yeah should always be written like this, YEAH. Okay, and okay is not O and K. Okay is OKAY. Okay. So everything must be correct in the transcription. We should know all the grammar rules. So the next we come initial. So in English words, like here he said, in this he said, she said, welcome to storyboard. So you will write first storyboard, welcome to storyboard. Then you will select this. After, when you select this, after that speech tag, text tag and keys will come. You can use this sign from here also, but here we did English tag. There are two types of tags for different languages. When they speak English, you have to write that words in English and you have to give that English tag, which is in text tag. If they speak in any other language, Malayalam, Arab or Hindi, then what you will write? Double brackets. You will not write that. Just use this double bracket sign in that place and click on foreign tag. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So English tag for English language, foreign tag for all other languages. And the next thing comes initial. Initial is used when two conditions are fulfilled. Okay. So when like words like, first I give you example. Words like RBI, NASA, PIN. When you say, when we say PAN, we say PAN as a whole word, not PAN. If the speaker will say PAN, then you will use initial. If the speaker will say PAN as a collective word, then initial will not be used. Same in the case of NASA. When he's saying NASA, then initial will not be used. If they say NASA, then initial will be used. So initial will be used or not in case of RBI?
Initial will be used for RBI.
Yes, correct. So as we are saying RBI differently, separately, so RBI will be in initial. Initial tag is used when the word have a full form and when it's spelled like letter by letter. Agar if the word is not spelled letter by letter, only it has full form like pan, then initial will not be used. And like if here it comes RBI. Now RBI is an English word, also have a full form and also said letter by letter. But first we will give initial tag, after that we will give English tag. So select RBI, UV, select RBI, then click on text tag and initial. As it has full form, then we will select whole of this initial tag and RBI. Then again go to text tag and then English tag. So like this it will be used. If somewhere English, normal English and initial both comes, then you can write like, then you can write so we can write like this also. Initial will be with RBI and then all the English words. We will not give separate English tag to them. So all will be here collectively. Is it clear? Mehboobi, do you want to ask something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's check Swetha's file. There are some rules left. Now next, if they said ABC company, now the company must have full form, so ABC will also be in initial tag. And when they said TV, don't use full stops or dots. We will simply write T and V without space. And with TV, initial tag will also be used. And when they say COVID, now COVID is a short form, but it will not, initial will not be used there because they are saying it as a word, not letter by letter. Its full form is coronavirus disease. So it will be in capital, but not in initial. And when they say corona, so C will be capital, rest letters will be in small case. And when they say TVs, in plural, TVs, then how will you write this? TV will be in initial tag, and with that you will write S separately, but without space. I will show you that. Punctuation, there should be no space before punctuation, and YouTube should be written like this, Y and T capital. Someone in Telugu wrote to YouTube like this. That is wrong. 8 o'clock, O should be capital in 8 o'clock when they say timings. So that's all. You can ask your queries if something is not clear.
When we transcribe the Telugu words, like we have words like bukkulu or something continuing in Telugu, okay? We have an
Yes.
English word continuing in Telugu. How should we transcribe that? Like we give an language tag for the books and lu as an another word decided. or how should we do it?
One English word and one Telugu word. Can you repeat?
We have a word like somebody is telling there is a communication between two people, and somebody is saying to someone that నా దగ్గర బుక్కులు ఉన్నాయి. Book is an English word. Lu is a continuation
Yeah.
of Telugu language.
Okay. Yeah, I'm going to tell that. When the accent is in Telugu, then you will write that word in Telugu.
Telugu.
But
Oh,
when
that's
they
what I
said
want.
clearly only book, then you will write in English. But when they add something about Telugu, like whatever is added with that, then that will be written in Telugu language.
Okay. And when you have things like party names, or I was working on some political conversation between two people, and there were party names and people names which we already are familiar with. Should we give the speaker name as that name, or just women or men?
Mm. In one file, I have seen that they have given name, but I am not sure about that. I will let you know about this in the group,
Yeah, sure. And
because
the party names.
files there were only man and woman.
Okay. And the party names, TRS, YSCP or something like that, should we give it an initial tag,
Yes.
or just the English tag?
No, initial and English both.
Oh, thank you. That's
Okay. Any other having queries?
Yeah, one second, ma'am. As you said previously that for party names, what madam has mentioned right now, TDP or Congress, whatever it could be, they will be in abbreviated form, right?
Yes.
So as you said, they should be given initial tag.
Yes.
How can again English tab could be given with the initial tag?
Say this. Oh, you have given only initial tag.
Yeah.
But both the tags should be given. That is rule. Like RBI is an English word, so we will select whole, initial tag and RBI both. One moment. And then go to text and give English tag. No error will occur. Both tags should be used, but initial first, English outside.
See.
Now this is the correct form. Initial should be first, and after that we can give English tag.
Okay.
Yes. Any other one having queries?
When we have this conversation or somebody speaking, the main person, or we mention a speaker, somebody as woman one is speaking loudly, and we have a background noise or somebody else, like maybe a interview or something, somebody other reporter is speaking in the background. What should we do for that?
For that, overlap will be used. Like here, click on the alternate segment, and the background person who is speaking, we will write that there here, and we will give it to initial overlap tag when two persons are speaking simultaneously.
Yeah.
Any other query? Swetha, you need to correct your file.
Yeah, definitely. For all those abbreviations, I need to correct with, I need to add the English tab also, right now?
Yes. And here, see,
Yes.
there is space before comma. Space should be
Okay.
after punctuation, but not before. So comma should be with that.
Okay.
Here, like you have, it is with the next word, but it should be with the previous word, and after that space. You have done opposite thing. After punctuation, space is must, but before punctuation, space should not be there.
So word to word also we need to maintain space, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Like here you have given no space. Um, left side it's correct, but right side there should be space after punctuation.
Okay. And when I was typing, I found out one thing like for few words, like we usually call them as achulu in Telugu. For them, it is showing error like you need to mention the asterisk mark before that single letter. So do we need to mention that asterisk mark? Or we can attach, if we attach that letter to the next word, then it is not showing any error. So do we need to do like that,
Yes.
or we need to add the asterisk mark?
Yes, when it doesn't show any error, you can use that thing, because Workbench always show the correct thing.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Yes. So you have only initial and English tag problem and punctuation problem.
The spacing, yeah, that I'll go through.
Yes.
Today I'll make sure that I'll correct all those things.
Yeah, yeah. And those who are interested that splitting they want to do from any other person, they can message me. I will get it done from my team, and you can directly transcribe the file. So yeah. So meeting is going to end. I hope everything is clear to you. Have a good day. Ma'am, can you clear about the splitting part? Yes, speaker names can be repeated again, Shivani. Sorry, I have seen your messages now. Speaker names can be repeated when the voice is same.